Hello friends, today we are going to solve Leetcode Daily practice problem. Find eventually safe states. Okay, let's initialize necessary variables. N equal length of graph. After this, adjacency list, that is a dictionary, I to its list for I in range n. Then in degree, I to 0 for I in range n in a dictionary. After this, initialize a queue instance. After this is safe as an array of booleans. For all, right now it will be false. So false into n. After this, safe states as a array. Now let's reverse the graph nodes to get the number of in degrees. So for I in range n, for node in graph of I, we will be doing adjacency list of node dot append I and in degree of I plus equals 1. Let's put nodes that have in degree equal 0. For I in range n, if in degree of I equal 0, then q dot push I. Now let's perform topo sort. While not of q dot is empty, node equal q dot pop. It returns the first element of the queue. Now mark is safe of node equals true. After this, decrement the in degree of neighbors of node. So for neighbor in adjacency list of node, in degree of neighbor minus equals 1. After this, check if in degree of neighbor equal 0, then push it back to the queue. Q dot push neighbor. After this, run a for loop for I in range n. If is safe of I, then safe states dot append I. In the end, return safe states. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.